and welcome to Ballet Basics for Adults. I'm Alessia. Today we're in the series we're working on jetés. We're gonna throw some legs around and you're gonna feel free. Are you ready? I'm doing this to make you feel good. Forget about the Frenchiness of ballet. Just come, throw legs around and enjoy every moment of it. Let's throw some legs around with jetés, and that's exactly what jeté means. All right, so jeté, it's not so thrown, but if you think about it, every step that we do now, it is in preparation to what is coming later. So a jeté can then turn into a jump, into an actual jeté or grand jeté. So every little step that we take, remember, is the preparation for the big steps. Throwing the legs is very important for a ballerina, but obviously needs to come gradually. So the jeté that we do at the barre, it's the continuation or getting a slightly higher from the glissé. So if we thought about the glissé at very 35 degrees, now what we need to think about is 45 degrees, yes? Because if you think about it is 35, 45, 90 degrees, 100 million degrees, yes? Going all the way around and wrapped around your neck. So let's start with the jeté. The dynamic is a little more of the throw. So think about a little circle movement. Yeah, ja da 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 da, ja da, ja da. I don't know why, I've got this feeling of being big and being grounded and like a circle. So that's every time. I want you to feel the difference between the jeté, jeté, which is very small step, quick steps and quick jumps, into the ja da 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 da, ja 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 ja. Yeah, we'll explain it in a second. But that gives me the feeling of the progression of higher jumps. All right. So jeté, we said it's at 45 degrees. So not 35, 45 degrees, wherever position you are, and it's not 90. Yeah, very big difference. Because otherwise, this is what happens. Think of the tendu lifting up slightly higher with a different dynamic. That's all there is. I want you to think about almost pulling out the leg, starting to get longer from the hip socket. Nothing else changes. It doesn't become weird just because we're getting bigger in our movements, but we are getting more free. So in the next exercise I'm going to be explaining for jetés, I want you to feel that length, that freedom in your limbs. So let me explain the exercise for jeté to you. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there, so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. Very simple. Third position out here, we're doing 7 jetés to the side, holding on the 8. Yeah, so we're still in our third position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plie. I'll give you that plie to release, yeah? And then we go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to see the smile. 6, 7, plie here. To get you used to the dynamic forward and back, I don't want you to get confused with combinations. So we're gonna start with the right leg and we're gonna go jeté forward. This is called cloche, yeah? Ooh, new step. But cloche only means, for those who speak French, it's a bell, yeah? So think of the bell only with the leg going back and forward and back and forward. Yeah, still thinking of the jeté. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close 7, 8. We go to the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Through the first. 5, 6, close 7 and close. Yes, simple. Let's do it. Let's release those legs. And 1, Big jumps. Later. Plie. Forward. Other side. Go forward. Keep going. I did a few more. And plie finito. Beautiful. Your legs are 20 centimeters longer. I'm so proud of you. And that's what jetés do to us. Oh, you're ready for the next step? Well, let's rond the jambes, the legs around. Haha. Oh oui.